I love Halloween. The candy, the costumes, the parties, don't even get me started. But what I don't like about Halloween is the price tag on redecorating with something new and different every single year. So stick with me, Strutters, because today we are spicing up last year's decorations. The holidays are filled with tradition, but what if the tradition was a craft project revamping last year's decorations? I just love this idea because it's new and different, but it's got that touch of nostalgia. So what we're doing today is taking last year's candy bucket and turning it into this year's pumpkin planter. So what you'll need is last year's candy bucket. I think everyone has one of these. A can of spray paint. This was, I think, 99 cents. A drill, dirt, and a plant saucer. First, you want to get your pumpkin basket and you're going to turn it over and drill some holes in the bottom because you've got to properly irrigate your plant. If you don't have a drill, you can use a hammer and a nail. Be creative. Then get your saucer and coat it with a really good, thorough coat of black paint. This was 99-cent paint and it covers just as well as anything else. Your potting soil, you're going to kind of work it through your fingers, scoop it probably 3/4 full into the basket, the pot. Get a beautiful seasonal plant. This one is the perfect orange for the planter. And you're gonna take it out of its container and really break up the roots so that they will grow nicely in the dirt. Situate it in your planter. We trimmed off the handle. We just felt like it was kind of pushing the plant forward. Give it a nice dose of water. And voila, we have the perfect pumpkin planter. And this next one is even simpler. This haunted house used to be in orange and purple. It was very dramatic and bold, and the children loved it when they were younger. So I painted it in this rich black spray paint, and it looks much more cohesive with my home and more sophisticated. And the same goes for this skull. It was also some bright and bold, more childish colors, and I love it with this bold black spray paint. So I hope that these tips helped you to push out the old, bring in the new, and hold on to the nostalgia. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I would love to hear your comments on how you have turned an old decoration into something new.